Assalamu alaikum. Today we're going to just teach you about how to connect your laptop with the TV. There's two ways that you can do it easily. One is with the HDMI cable, and the other way is using Chromecast with Google Chrome. So we'll do the HDMI cable first. Okay. At the back of the TV stand, you'll find that there's a power board with an extension cord which is 3 meters. Unwind the power cord from this, and when you have enough unwound, plug it in to a power socket, which we'll do here, and make sure it's on. Okay. Next, make sure that this is on and the light is on here. Next, take the power point of the TV and plug it into one of these points here. Okay, that's done. In the basket of the TV stand, and where it must always belong, always put it back, is the remote control. Always put the remote in the basket so it stays with the TV. The remote has got a number which is the same as the number on the TV, as you can see. Next is turn on the TV. Okay, so you press the red button, that will turn the TV on. And then you can wait for it. Okay, it'll take a little while. There'll be some graphics. And then you'll get something about scan for the TV. Okay, but we don't really want to scan for the TV because we're not using this to watch TV. We're using it for displaying what's on our laptop. Okay, so no signal, which is all fine, that's okay. All right, so the next thing to do is see where the cable is plugged in, the HDMI cable at the back. So this is HDMI 1, okay? So you go here, and there's this little button here, which is the source button. And you say, click this, and you make sure this is on HDMI 1. Okay, so it says up there HDMI 1, which is good. Now, on your computer, look for the same port, which is an HDMI port, and plug this cable into that port. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. I'll just pause it and do it properly so I don't break anything. Then if you look at the TV, it's showing up as the same thing here. Okay? So now it's plugged in. And that covers how we connect our laptop to the TV with the HDMI cable. All right, so the next option is to not use the HDMI cable and do it wirelessly using Chromecast. Okay. When you have got Chrome on, make sure that you are logged into your Chrome profile. Okay, and if you don't know how to do that, then watch the other video on Google Classroom and how to set up a Chrome profile using your CIS account. Okay, make sure you are connected in the masjid to CIC 24, and in the hall to Telstra 179C. There's another one called 5G at the end. Don't connect to that. In the hall, connect to Telstra 179C. But in the masjid, make sure you connect to CIC 24. Why? Because in the masjid, the TVs are connected to CIC 24, and that's very important. Okay. The next step is to go here, the 3 dots, and there's a thing called cast. Okay. Now, when you do casting, you'll find there's CIS TV 005. Remember? That's the name of the TV here. CIS TV 005. Okay, sorry, it's a bit blurry. There you go. There you go. That's better. All right. And then so what do you want to cast? Do you want to cast just this tab or the whole desktop, the whole computer? So this is where you go and you say, you want to cast a tab, the whole desktop, or cast a file, like a video file, okay? In most cases, the simplest thing would be to cast the whole desktop, okay? If you're using YouTube, then it might be good to cast a tab. It might work better, but let's go with desktop for now, okay? And then click on, that's it. Now, in some cases, what we're finding now is, for some reason that I don't know, the actual MediaTek, the actual CIS TV 005 is not coming up. So we can't select it. But these two are, and I think one of them is this TV. So you'll have to do a hit and miss and select the first one first. We'll look into this maybe later why it's not doing that, but we just select this and we say cast desktop, come in. Okay, so it started, Chrome mirroring, and if we see here, it's already going there. Okay. So this will show exactly what your computer is showing. And if I do this without dropping, you'll see that there's no wires connected at all. So this might be a simple way to share your screen on here. Okay? Now, that covers both the HDMI as well as using Chromecast, using Google Chrome to cast onto the screen. Okay. You can also use your phone. You'll have to look at your phone to see how you cast your phone onto a screen, and once again look for the right device and start casting. Now, what could happen is, obviously, when you've got two things on, there's probably a TV in the other room with the same name, and the first time you do it, you may accidentally cast to the wrong TV, but that's okay. Just come back and try again to cast to the other TV. All right, that's about it. I hope you understand. But if you come early and set up before your class, it should be a lot easier, and someone should be available to help you out. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.